Welcome back to the channel! If you think luxury sedans have reached their peak, wait until you see what Mercedes-Benz has done with the all-new 2027 E-Class. This latest generation brings cutting-edge technology, refined luxury, and a driving experience that feels closer to the flagship S-Class than ever before. Today, we're taking a closer look at why the 2027 Mercedes E-Class could be one of the most impressive premium sedans on the road. At first glance, the new E-Class instantly captures attention with its elegant yet sporty design. Mercedes has refined the exterior with smoother body lines, a more aerodynamic profile, and a wider stance that gives the car a commanding presence. The front fascia features a bold grille design paired with slimmer LED headlights that create a sophisticated and futuristic appearance. The illuminated star pattern grille available on higher trims adds an extra touch of luxury, especially at night. Moving to the side, the long wheelbase and sculpted character lines enhance the vehicle's premium proportions. New wheel designs ranging from 18 to 21 inches give buyers plenty of customization options. At the rear, sleek LED taillights stretch across the body, creating a modern and upscale look that perfectly complements the front-end styling. Every angle of the 2027 E-Class reflects Mercedes-Benz's commitment to elegance and innovation. Step inside, and the cabin immediately showcases why Mercedes remains a leader in luxury interiors. Premium materials cover nearly every surface, including soft leather, genuine wood trim, brushed aluminum accents, and customizable ambient lighting. The dashboard is dominated by a stunning digital display setup that integrates the latest MBUX infotainment system. The large touchscreen responds quickly and offers advanced voice controls that feel more natural than ever. Passenger comfort has been significantly improved. The seats provide excellent support for long journeys and are available with heating, ventilation, and massage functions. Rear seat passengers benefit from increased legroom and upgraded climate controls, making the E-Class a fantastic choice whether you're driving or being driven. Noise insulation has also been enhanced, creating an exceptionally quiet cabin even at highway speeds. Technology plays a major role in the 2027 E-Class experience. Drivers can enjoy advanced augmented reality navigation, wireless smartphone integration, over-the-air software updates, and a premium surround sound audio system. Mercedes has also expanded its suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane centering assistance, automated parking functions, and enhanced collision avoidance systems. These technologies work together to provide greater convenience and confidence behind the wheel. Under the hood, the 2027 E-Class offers a range of efficient and powerful powertrains. Depending on the model, buyers can choose from turbocharged 4-cylinder and 6-cylinder engines, both supported by mild hybrid technology for improved efficiency and smoother performance. The acceleration feels effortless and power delivery remains refined throughout the rev range. For those seeking a more dynamic driving experience, performance-oriented variants deliver even greater power while maintaining the comfort of sophistication expected from an E-Class. The suspension system has been carefully tuned to balance comfort and handling, allowing the sedan to glide over rough roads while remaining composed in corners. Steering response is precise, and the overall driving character feels confident and refined. When it comes to pricing, the 2027 Mercedes E-Class is expected to start at around $65,000 in the United States, with higher trims and optional packages pushing the price significantly higher. While it represents a premium investment, the combination of luxury, technology, comfort, and performance helps justify the cost. The 2027 Mercedes E-Class continues to set the benchmark for mid-size luxury sedans. With its sophisticated design, advanced technology, premium interior, and impressive performance, it delivers an experience that few competitors can match. If you're looking for a luxury sedan that blends innovation with timeless elegance, the new E-Class deserves a place at the very top of your list. Thanks for watching! If you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss our latest automotive reviews and updates. See you in the next one!